Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Deactivate, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Twitter account permanently from your PC. So without any delay, let's start the video. First of all, go to your browser and go to the Twitter and make sure that you are logged into your account. And after that, on the left side, you can see those three dots. That is the more option. Click it and go to settings and privacy here. And here on the right side of the bottom option, you can see deactivate your account. And here you can see this line. You can restore your X account if it was accidentally or wrongfully deactivated. Deactivate for up to 30 days. That means if you want to recover your account, you can recover it within 30 years. After 30 years, your account will be permanently deleted. So to deactivate it, just click the deactivate option here and give the password here and select deactivate, and your Twitter account will be deactivated, and after 30 days, it will be permanently deleted. So this is the video. I hope this is a helpful video for you. If this video does help you, please consider subscribing to this channel. I will see you guys in the next video.